Batters and had a strikeout.
Get ready to relax, have some fun, and enjoy a fresh collection of moments that you probably won't see coming.
Oh, geez. Oh, God.
She got too close to the edge and suddenly slipped into the water. The ball caught him right in the face, but he's okay. That tricky step sent her straight into the water, though she wasn't hurt.
Inning scoreless. Faced 3 batters and had a strikeout. Only threw 15 pitches.
His footing gave out for a second, yet he wasn't hurt at all. She tried to steady herself between the posts, but her footing gave way.
Jesus Christ.
The float didn't cooperate, and he ended up taking a quick dip. He definitely has a pretty unusual way of working out. It looks like they couldn't get a foot down in time, and over they went. It looks like one awkward step on the rocks caused that fall. She's okay, just a little muddy after that slip. She lost her balance mid-move, but thankfully, she's perfectly fine. She fell into the water, but thankfully, she's completely okay.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
And that's how easy.
Does anyone understand what's happening in this scene?
Sales, this is really bad. If things continue.
Looks like her attempt to fight back didn't quite work out.
Range of motion, full mobility, hold that for 2.
Everything looked a bit chaotic, yet she wasn't hurt at all. She got an unexpected free splash, but thankfully, she's perfectly okay. Crowded paths require extra attention, so keep your eyes on the road. The chair tilt didn't end well, and down he went. This almost looks like a giant floating mat of plants. This situation looks a bit unusual, yet everyone involved is okay.
That's a motherfucking shot, nigga.
backyard move sent him flipping backward, though he's completely fine. Can someone explain how he got that much airtime? The sand carried them straight toward the water, and luckily, no one was hurt. Something caught her off guard, but thankfully, she's completely fine. She looks like a swan taking off, except she's heading straight for the water.
All right, well.
The chair slipped during the move and sent him tumbling down, but he's fine. She ended up completely soaked, but thankfully she's okay. She launched herself toward the lake and came down with quite a splash. Despite the chaos, all three walked away without any injuries.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Judging by the ending, this might be the least profitable robbery ever. One slick patch was enough to send her straight down. Thankfully, the damage seems limited to the car and property.
Three showings this weekend.
That little poolside mishap looked worse than it was, and she's fine.
Thank you again.
He reacted instantly and was there to break her fall.
Yeah, that was cool.
It looks like the vehicle came away with a few bumps and scrapes. Handling the motorcycle got a little awkward, but thankfully, he's fine. One shaky moment turned her exercise into an unexpected tumble.
Get up there!
The gorilla statue won this round, but thankfully, she walked away okay. He fell straight into the lake, but thankfully, he's okay. She looks a little unsteady, almost like she's tipsy.
Andrew, you got this, buddy.
One bad step sent him straight into the pond, but he's fine.
Floating here. How?
Something definitely went wrong with the truck's balance here.
Throw it.
Before you go, we hope these moments added a little more fun and positive energy to your day. Thanks for being here, and we'll catch you in the next one.